In this iMarketer review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create a fully functioning AdSense website, complete with both domain and hosting, plus they even include your own autoresponder so you can build an email list and of course get free traffic too. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be revealing all of the upgrades and OTOs so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best prices and best discounts on upcoming software and courses. And if at any time during this review you want to check out iMarketer, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and I appreciate it. And if you want more reviews like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Before we take a look at the product, really quick, I want to show you the bonuses that you're going to be getting if you pick this up through my link. They're all going to be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus. You're going to get the ultimate guide to ranking on Google, the ultimate guide to social media. You're going to get resell rights to killer traffic generation tactics, and you're going to get access to the 7-step blueprint to launching a product. And lastly, you're going to get my award-winning Affiliate Income Secrets course with the resell rights so you can sell it and keep 100% of the profits. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says your all-in-one, fully automated website for any niche you want, designed for marketers. Everything you need, a stunning website, fully hosted with unlimited bandwidth, inbuilt autoresponder, unlimited lists, unlimited leads, unlimited emails, plus easy AdSense monetization and no monthly fees. So essentially, what Dan and his team have created is a way for specifically newer marketers to be able to create their own websites without having to worry about those high costs. I remember when I got started, I was counting every single dollar that I was putting into my business. I would cancel different services because I knew that they weren't necessarily making me money. At one time, crazily, I canceled my autoresponder, which is one of the most valuable parts of my entire business. Now you'll have all of those. You'll have hosting, you'll have the domain name, you'll have your autoresponder. Everything is all included inside of this. Plus, you can monetize your website with AdSense so you can make money from it at the same time. Something that a lot of people would have loved to have had in the beginning when they started their business, and now you can get that as well. Has also done for you site creation, has done for you content. It creates content for you and spins it and makes it unique so that you don't have to worry about your content not being original. So if you're worried, I don't have the time to actually write all this content, you can get that included as well here. Also on top of that, you have your different steps here. You log in, you create your site. Step 2, you add in your subdomain. Step 3, you create your website. And they show you these income screenshots here, but I don't know about that. Like let's be honest here. You're most likely not going to be making this kind of money when you just get started here, but it does give you an inspiration on what they've been able to make in their own businesses. But I don't really see any reason to have those screenshots there on the sales page here. So it has tons of design options. I'm going to show you that in a second. You can pull in, you can take YouTube content, pull that into your blog and actually create content from that, so you don't have to actually create content yourself. Has the autoresponder built right into it, unlimited emails, unlimited lists, all inside of that one system, which is kind of nice because it's all convenient for you inside of one place there. So I'm not going to show you everything on this page here, but I am going to show you this. There is a one-time fee one, and then there's one with a monthly. Of course, what do you want? You want to get the one with the one-time fee, of course. So just they have that there. It's called the decoy. It just makes the one-time offer looks better. So everyone's going to want to get the one-time offer. Let's go over and take a look at an actual site made with iMarketer. And one super special bonus that I didn't mention before, this is huge. When you get this during the launch period, you're going to get resell rights to this as well, meaning that you can resell the entire software, keep 100% of the profits. This is a huge bonus, an unannounced bonus that if you're watching this far in the review here, that you should be really excited about, because not only do you get the product, but you get the resell rights to this as well. Okay, now let's go over and take a look at an actual site made with this. So this is an actual site made with iMarketer. You can see here it's got really nice looking thumbnails, really nice looking content, very basic, which is always good. You can click on one of these. We can take a look at one of these pages. Really nice looking here. All this content created by the software, pulling in and making it original for your blog post here. Post for you on autopilot. You can have it here so that you've got this. You can monetize it with AdSense and be able to monetize this without, again, having to buy a domain, without having to buy any kind of hosting. And you can build your email list with it without having to purchase an autoresponder. Now, the way that this all works in the back end is you've got your website here. You can add in, it's really easy to set up. To set up your new website, you just go in and I'll create one really quick for you. Create a new website. Just go down to create new website. I'll just do live demo test and just call it live demo test. Create website. Again, you don't have to worry about setting up any hosting. If you've ever set up a website before, you know it can be a little bit, for the first time, can be a little bit of a pain in the butt to do that. So now you've got your website created, live demo test. I can view it, and it's not going to look amazing in the beginning. It's got all this crazy stuff on it, but of course, all of this is completely, you take all this and you edit it, and you can make it look really nice like this website right here. You can go in there and you can edit everything in here. You've got all the settings. You can go in here and change the name of it, add in a logo, add in your Facebook stuff, your SEO meta description stuff. You can have a banner or banner background. You have different theme colors and layouts, different colors that you can choose from this. And then you can update that as well. You can add in your blog posts. So if we look at this one, you've got all these different blog posts in the channel, and the source is from a YouTube channel here, so it's taking in that content from there. You can have different content sources. Let's go back over to this and take a look. You can have different reviews you can add into this. You can add like different product reviews. You can see like the title, video, edited views, clicks, all that fun stuff. Blog content sourcing. So this is taking it from YouTube posts here. Let's go back in here. Content spinning, so you can spin your content, set up how you want that to go. Your different site pages that you have with this. You've got your different advertisements that you can add into this. You can add in new advertisements, add in opt-in forms, and of course you can view your site and check it out there. So you can create it all in here. You've got your opt-ins creator here, so you can create opt-in forms for your website. You've got your different lists here that you can build, and you can have here, if we go down, I want to show you a little bit more here, your campaigns that you send up. So if you want to send out a campaign and then send out emails to those campaigns, you can do it right inside of the software here. It's kind of cool that it has it all in one place, so you don't have to worry about logging into a bunch of different areas to run your different marketing campaigns. Of course, this is for people that are on a budget and don't want to spend money on autoresponders, hosting, and domain names. So that's the front end offer. Let me take you through the different upgrades that you're going to be offered if you decide to purchase. Okay, so this is the first upgrade that you're going to be offered here. It says, why be satisfied with just one iMarketer site? So instead of just having one site, you can get unlimited sites with unlimited hosting and multiple niches. So you don't have to worry about having any limit on the amount of websites that you can do with this. So this is going to be the unlimited version for unlimited sites, which is still an amazing deal here. Wow, this is really inexpensive. I'm surprised this isn't monthly. So you can get it for one time for this and get all that unlimited there. That's pretty crazy. So the next one here, it says want 10 new income streams. Don't just rely on ClickBank. Let us do the work. Hands-free Amazon affiliate. So they have Amazon product reviews that they add into this. So they do that all for you, so you can make money as an Amazon affiliate with this as well. The next one here, upgrade your license to done for you. So they're going to do everything for you. They'll do all the setup for you. They'll rank your site. They'll monetize it for you. They'll put in extra work for you. They'll give you one-on-one Skype support. So this is for people that really want some extra support and more done for you. Of course, it costs more, but it is going to give you a lot more hand-holding with this. The next one here is their Elite Marketer program. With this Elite Marketer program, you're going to get a bunch of extras here. I believe this is their, I think it's their coaching, but it's a special program that they have. Of course, check it out once you get there. I'm not exactly sure. It says life-changing here. Maybe it will be life-changing. Check it out once you get to that page. Next one here is what if you could sell our iMarketer software. So as my special bonus, you're going to get reseller rights to this. But here's the difference. And that reseller license is worth $97. But with this, if you want to get reseller rights and you want to get agency access as well, you can be able to sell this as an agency also. So it just gives you a bit of a difference there on that. You can check that out once you get to the sales page to understand the complete difference with that. But you're already getting reseller, so you might not even need to even think about this one here. And the next one here is white label. So if you want to be able to sell this like it's your own software, put your own name on it, and really offer this like a complete, like this is your business. So I could say like this is Mike from Maine's like marketing system, and put my name on it and put it on your own domain and your own branding, so you're completely separate from them here. You can do that as well. And this one, of course, is going to be more expensive because you're getting their whole entire software and their entire code with that. What do I like about iMarketer and what don't I like about iMarketer? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I'm someone that actually likes having a WordPress website. I like having my own domain name, which you can put your own domain name with this as well, by the way. You can put in your own domain and plug it into the system. But I like to just have it because that's just the way that I am. So if you're like that as well, you don't want to be plugged into someone else's system, then this might not be right for you. What do I like about it? I love the fact that for specifically a beginner marketer, someone that is on a budget, someone that doesn't have a lot of tech skills, this is a perfect opportunity for someone like that to be able to own their own website and to be able to learn how the whole process works and to be able to get kind of their feet wet a little bit when it comes to building up a business. So if that's you, if you're someone that is on a budget, you're worried about, you don't want to pay monthly fees for different things, you want to be able to have a website and have a system that's been built for marketers to use in a way that isn't super confusing and super expensive, then check this out. Or if you're someone that just wants the reseller rights because you want to resell it and keep all the money, then it could be right for you as well. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to pick up iMarketer, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Also, if you want more reviews from me, click that subscribe button somewhere below and that bell notification so you can get more reviews from me on a daily basis. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review. Thanks.